Hi, I'm Dr. Jo. Today on Grow with Dr. Jo, we are making a garden fresh cucumber, tomato, red onion, and fresh basil salad with a olive oil and balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Let's get cooking. Make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss my SIS Simple as Smart tip for this recipe. Also, I will be giving you another neuroscience nutrition nugget. Start by peeling one large English cucumber, cut it in half and scoop out the seeds. Then slice each half into about ½ inch thick, half moon pieces of cucumber. Dice up a large beefsteak tomato, or if you don't have a large ripe beefsteak tomato, you can use either cherry or grape tomatoes. Simply cut them in either half or quarters, whichever you prefer. Chop up a tablespoon of fresh basil, and now you are ready for your dressing. To make the vinaigrette dressing, start with a good quality of balsamic vinegar. I like to use an aged balsamic vinegar, one that's been aged about 25 years. The longer the vinegar is aged, the sweeter it gets and the more delicious it is in the salad. To your ¼ cup of balsamic vinegar. For today's neuronutrition nugget, we're going to talk about cucumbers. Cucumbers are technically a fruit. They're in the family of watermelons as well as pumpkins. Even though they look relatively unassuming, they are loaded with nutrition. They contain fiber, which is good for our digestion, as well as vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and flavonoids. One particular flavonoid called fisetin, research has shown is good for helping boost our memory, may protect our nerve cells, and help prevent Alzheimer's disease. So in addition to providing hydration, vitamins and minerals, helping with our digestion, cucumbers also help protect our nerve cells and help with our memory and thinking. Add about ¼ teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and ¼ cup of extra virgin olive oil. In addition to that, I put some garlic in mine. If you have roasted garlic, use 3 cloves of roasted garlic that you've smashed up. Or if you don't have roasted garlic, finely grate using a zester type grater. Finely grate about 1 small clove of garlic using a zester grater. Add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and whisk the dressing together. It's now ready to pour over your cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions. Take your cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions and place them in your salad bowl. For this week's SIS Simple as Smart tip for our garden fresh cucumber, tomato, and red onion salad. If your red onions are extra spicy, you may want to pickle them the night before you add them to the salad. Simply slice them very thin and then add 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of vinegar. You can use either red wine vinegar or white vinegar, and 3 tablespoons of maple syrup plus a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together, let it set overnight in the fridge, and the next day you'll be amazed at how crunchy and delicious your red onions are when you add them to the salad. Sprinkle a tablespoon of the fresh chopped basil on them, and then pour your balsamic vinaigrette over it. Toss it together, let it set for maybe a couple of minutes before you serve it. Serve and enjoy. Please click the like button and subscribe For more details on this recipe, as well as other vegan or non-vegan recipes, go to my website at growwithdrjoe.com.